Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable live voicemail on your iPhone 15 Pro. To do that, open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down to Apps menu at the bottom, and then select Phone application. Here in the phone application, you're gonna have to look for live voicemail feature, and if you cannot find it here, that means that it is not supported in your country, as this feature is only supported in US and Canada for now. However, you can still change your country manually in your iPhone settings. To do that, we're just gonna have to go to General, then select Language and Region, and then here we're gonna have to change our region to either US or Canada. So let's find United States on the list and select it. We can also select our language optionally. Wait until the region is set, and then we're gonna have to get back in the iPhone settings. Go to Apps again, then select Phone, and then find the live voicemail feature right here. And to enable it, switch this toggle to the right. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.